Packing for Fiji is not simply a matter of adding swimwear and sunscreen to a suitcase. Your destinations, season, transfers, activities, health requirements, and smallest baggage allowance should determine what you take and where every essential item is carried. Most travelers need lightweight clothing, swimwear, a rash vest, respectful clothing, comfortable footwear, sun and insect protection, a compact health kit and suitable rain protection, essential documents, medicines, valuables, permitted batteries, and one change of clothing should remain in cabin baggage. Organize the suitcase into 8 practical categories: clothing, activity equipment, footwear, weather protection, health, electronics, cabin and checked baggage, and border preparation. This structure makes it easier to identify missing essentials while removing items that have no confirmed purpose. Write down every destination, flight, ferry, boat transfer, activity, and accommodation type before packing. Identify the smallest baggage allowance and most difficult transfer in the complete journey. Then design the luggage around that restriction, rather than the international flight alone. Fiji is warm throughout the year, but rainfall, humidity, wind, and evening comfort vary by season and location. Check the forecast, accommodation facilities, laundry, air conditioning, screened windows, and access to essential products before deciding what quantities or additional protection to pack. Choose lightweight, breathable, and quick-drying clothing with enough swimwear for drying between uses. Include a rain layer, a light warmer layer, and one modest outfit or sulu. Cover shoulders and knees during village visits, and remove hats and sunglasses when instructed. Pack equipment for activities that are booked or genuinely likely to happen. A rash vest, dry bag, reusable bottle, water shoes, and personal mask may be useful. But first, ask what the operator supplies. Always use the required safety equipment and never stand on living coral. Most visitors need sandals, comfortable walking shoes, and activity-specific footwear only when the itinerary requires it. Ask about the actual terrain. Test new shoes before departure, and dry wet footwear properly. Water shoes do not make walking on coral acceptable. Keep sunscreen, a hat, ultraviolet protective sunglasses, effective insect repellent, and a compact rain layer accessible during transfers and excursions. Use products according to their instructions. Combine sunscreen with shade and protective clothing, and confirm whether the accommodation genuinely requires a mosquito net. Carry enough essential medicine for the trip and a reasonable delay, within the applicable legal limits. Keep it in original packaging with the required prescription or doctor's letter. Place essential medicine in cabin baggage and pack a compact health kit containing only items you understand how to use. Fiji uses Type 1 plugs with a standard supply of 240 volts at 50 Hz. An adapter changes the plug shape, but not the voltage. Check every device. Protect electronics from water, and follow each airline's current rules for power banks and spare batteries. Cabin baggage should protect the first 24 hours of the trip. Carry documents, essential medicine, valuables, permitted batteries, and one change of clothing. Place approved bulky and non-essential items in checked baggage, while the accessible day bag holds immediate sun, rain, and activity protection. Fiji requires arriving travelers to declare biosecurity risk goods, including food, plants, animal products, wooden items, soil, and used outdoor equipment. Clean and dry shoes and equipment before packing. Keep declarable items accessible, and ask a border officer whenever you are uncertain. Families, wedding groups, remote island visitors, volunteers, and travelers carrying medical or mobility equipment require additional preparation. Confirm prams, car seats, formal clothing, work equipment, medicines, batteries, protective gear, and anything that needs approval before reaching the airport. Before departure, weigh and measure every bag. Confirm battery and liquid rules. Check medicine documents and clean used equipment. Download essential information. Review the first destination's forecast and transfer instructions. Photograph the luggage and remove anything without a clear purpose. Pack the irreplaceable essentials first: documents, medicine, practical and respectful clothing, sun and insect protection, compatible power equipment, and a safe cabin baggage plan. Add activity equipment only after confirming what is supplied. Then remove anything that does not support the real journey.